Hi everyone, TechSphere here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert or remove or change your nano SIM card from your iPhone 12 mini. In order to do this, you need the SIM ejection tool that you found with the paperwork with this phone, but you can also use another SIM ejection tool from a different device or something like a paperclip or an earring. And once you have that, you're going to go to the left hand side of your device and you'll see a SIM tray with a little pinhole. Put the SIM ejection tool inside the pinhole and apply a little bit of firm pressure and the tray should pop out. Then slide out the tray and then align your SIM card with the tray. For me, this means that the SIM card is face down and it aligns with the corner groove while the longer end of the SIM tray is facing upwards, but you should figure out how it fits comfortably. And then you just go ahead and slide the tray back into the phone and you should be ready to use your cellular data, and you can go into your control center and look for the cellular option. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. You can leave those down in the comment section below, and don't forget to leave this video a like. Thanks for watching.